Using Shea Moisture and the MAANE choice, I use the smoothing method on my curls today to get this really nice and springy wash and go. So if you're interested, then keep on watching to learn more. So I'm just sectioning off my hair to start the process, and I'm going to be using the smoothing method to get my curls to mush together. First, I'm taking the curling handshake smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I'm just going to put that all through the back section of my hair, and I'm just going to thoroughly work it in because it's pretty thick, and just make sure it penetrates my hair strands. I spent a lot of time trying to make sure that got all the way into my hair. Like I said, it's pretty thick and I just didn't want to let it sit on top. Today I'm going to be using the MAANE Choice Styling Gel, and I'm going to use the smushing method, or I don't even know what you call this, but basically I'm not going to finger coil my hair. I'm just using my fingers to mush the curls together and basically just let them do what they want instead of manipulating them. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do my hair and come back when I need to. So as you can see, I'm kind of done with the back section, and this is how it turned out. I'm just turning around to let you see my hair, and then I'm moving on to the next part after I dance, of course. But yeah, I love the way it turned out, so I'm just doing that method all over my head. So I skipped to the front just so I can show you exactly what I'm doing, or you can just see what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just running my fingers over top of the hair with the product, and basically just letting it do what it will. And instead of separating the curls myself, I'm just allowing them to be how they are in the section by itself. I don't even know if I'm explaining this right. I'm just gonna let you keep watching. Towards the front, because my curls are so loose, I ended up having to just finger coil because the smoothing method just wasn't working at all. So I had to just resort to how I usually just shingle the front, and that worked out a little bit better. But the rest of my hair is just smoothed out. So I'm pretty much done at this point, and I love the way it turned out. So yeah, I'm just shaking my hair just to let the curls clump, and this is a 360 view of how it looks. So this is how my hair turned out. Let me get another back view. So this is how my hair turned out, and I really like it. The curls look the same but different. I didn't really like how that method worked up top. I think it's just because my curls are super loose up top. So me trying to smooth it with my fingers just wasn't working, so I had to coil it a little bit. But it kind of looks the same. I definitely love the bag. I love how the bag turned out. So the ringlets They look the same but a little bit different. I'll insert like maybe a piece of a video from one of my other wash and goes. I don't know. It looks the same but different. I can't really put my finger on it, but it just is different, and I really like it. Only thing is, I think I'm going to get a little more frizz than I want. I'm not sure, but my hair is like 40%, 50% dry. My roots are not dry, so my ends are dry for the most part, but my roots aren't. I don't know. I hope I don't get frizz, but I may not. I don't know, but it's starting to look as if my front is going to be a little more frizzy than I typically like it. But like I said, it looks really nice, and I don't know what this method is called because I didn't do prayer hands because my hair is too short for that. So I just pulled the hair, but I didn't coil it or shingle it either. I don't know what it's called to be honest, or maybe that is shingling. I don't know, whatever. So I just did something different, like I said, and hopefully you liked the video. If you did like how my hair turned out, give me a thumbs up. But this is my last wash and go of 2018 because it's New Year's Eve, and hopefully this will give me at least like 3 or 4 days of good hair. I don't know. But like I said, if you liked the video, thank you for watching and have a good day and enjoy your new year.
No. This is the